Today I'm going to show you how to clean your plexiglass longboard and get rid of some of the small micro scratches on your deck. First off, there are many methods of cleaning and buffing your longboards, and the methods I'll be showing you today are just one of the ways we clean our boards here at Ghost. The first step is cleaning off the dirt and fingerprints. This will work with any glass, acrylic, or plastic cleaner and a microfiber cloth. Here at Ghost, we often use this acrylic cleaner and polish, but for this board, I just used regular glass cleaner until the end. Now when it comes to buffing, it'll be difficult getting rid of these larger scratches without equipment, but it is possible to get rid of these small micro scratches with just a rag. We use this plastic fine scratch remover and rub it in with a circular motion with the microfiber cloth. I keep rubbing it in until it's dry and then wipe off the extra. Last, I polish and clean it one more time to get everything off and polish up the board. Here's what the before board looks like. And here's what the after board looks like. These are just the main methods of cleaning we use to keep our boards looking clean and new. Thanks for watching.